On behalf of the Advising Career and Transfer Center, welcome to Massasoit. This video is going to go over our department's information on the website as well as on the My Massasoit portal. We'll start with the website. Under Academics, we can be found under Academic Advising. Again, we are the Advising Career and Transfer Center, commonly referred to as the ACT Center. At the top of the page, we'll always have any active or relevant announcements posted here, which I always encourage you to check out because that can be really helpful. To the right-hand side, you'll see a menu of different services we offer. Online advising and remote advising and registration assistance can be found by clicking either of these links if you'd like some more help with those. If you need to contact our staff for any reason, you can click on these links. Career exploration is really helpful if you are not sure of what you would like to major in, or even if you know what you want to major in and you would just like some more information about it. This can be a really helpful tool. We also offer a free career assessment tool at the college called Focus 2, which is found on this link as well. I highly encourage every student to take that assessment as it can be really helpful in just confirming or figuring out what you want to major in. So again, here's the information about Focus 2, as well as some other great career advising resources. Next is Career Services. If you'd like some input on resume writing, job search skills, different current job openings, this area can be really beneficial to you. Transfer Services is great for anyone who is planning to transfer to another school, whether it's before or after you graduate Massasoit, but I highly encourage everyone to check out this information. It has information about mass transfer, different course equivalencies, transfer agreements, scholarships. This can be a really beneficial section for everybody. As well as if you are thinking about having an internship while you're here on campus, there's different types of student internships, and that information can also be found here. This portion just tells a little bit more about what we do. So in addition to all of that, you'll be assigned to our center for your first semester at Massasoit, and we'll be your advising team. So with that, some of those things that we can do is to help you plan for upcoming courses and semesters, how to plan those courses accordingly, making a plan to reach your goals. Again, the transfer advising, making sure you're in your proper program, talking about if you feel like you want to take on more courses, if the courses you have are too much, how to navigate those academic challenges. All of those types of things are things that you could always reach out to us and ask us about. We'd be happy to help. On the bottom right-hand side, you'll just again see how to contact us. Emailing us at our ACT email account is always the best way to contact us if we're not on campus. And when we are on campus, we offer drop-in and appointment hours. Drop-ins are run Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. And those are for just a quick question, whereas appointments would be, again, a scheduled time in addition to meetings that may take a little bit longer, such as perhaps going over some career planning or transfer planning appointments. What we're going to do from here is we're going to go to the My Massasoit portal. So this can be referred to as your My Massasoit account, your student portal, your My Massasoit portal. If you've not already gotten your username and password, that should have come in an email upon your acceptance. You can always reach out to the help desk at helpdesk@massasoit.mass.edu, and they can help to make sure you can log in. Again, that's really important to be able to log in and remember your password and security questions, as you will be asked to access your My Massasoit account very often. So once you've gone ahead and logged in, this is what it will look like. Keep in mind there's also an app for your My Massasoit. That's another helpful way you can review all of this information. So at the top, we'll start with the My Massasoit home. You'll see the campus calendar of different events going on campus. Under the Launchpad, you'll see things like Canvas. This is a support program or a platform that is used for online courses, as well as a lot of classes on campus where a teacher will list the syllabus or perhaps give you some notes or homework questions on this. There's Zoom. Rave emergency alerts is something I highly encourage everyone to sign up for, as you can get a text, phone call, email, all or any of the above. If there's ever an emergency on campus, if we have a snow day or cancellation, you'll get alerts about those. Your Massasoit email account will be your username at massasoit.edu. We encourage students to check their Massasoit email account 1 to 2 times daily, as this is how your advisor, financial aid, your instructors will all get in touch with you. It's really important if you have a question for someone on campus to be emailing us through your Massasoit email account so we know that we can verify your account. Otherwise, we're not able to release information. DegreeWorks Student is a great way that you can view courses you're currently enrolled in, as well as what courses you have left in order to graduate. The Massasoit Library has a lot of information about different databases that you can use for research on your different assignments in class. Grades First, which will be called Navigate soon, it's the same thing, is a great way that you're able to schedule an appointment with your advisor on campus right from the convenience of your computer. Google Drive is also something very helpful. We have a scholarship website as well. And finally, the last thing I really want to focus on is Etutoring. So again, we offer tutoring services on campus, remotely as needed, but there's also Etutoring as another support program. Finally, I would like to go through some important information under your Student tab. Under your Student tab is where, as we've reviewed, you can add and drop your courses, you can see your course schedule, you can view your final grades, order a transcript, complete different forms such as your intent to graduate form, which will be here before you know it, different deadline and refund schedules if you have a hole in your account, withdrawing from a class, as well as, handling all your business is this area really. For your health insurance waiver, that's really important. If you've enrolled in 9 credits or more, you want to make sure you include that or complete that. Otherwise, the college will charge you for health insurance. So that's really important so that you're not charged that. If you plan to make a payment plan and pay that way, you can initiate it here. If you'd like to view your account balance, simply make a payment, view your tax form, or check on a financial aid status, as well as your financial aid course protection. This is where you can find all of that information. I hope you have found this tutorial helpful, and please feel free to reach out to us with any questions. Again, we stress that you should make sure that you're aware on how to log into your portal and that you're checking your Massasoit email at least once to twice a day. This is also another way you can check your email, or we encourage you, if you'd like to forward it onto your own personal email address, that can be another helpful way so you're not having to remember to check on multiple accounts or just putting it on your phone. Thank you so much, everyone.